Hello, this is Barry Nirmal. Please subscribe to my channel by clicking on the subscribe link below. Hello friends, in this video I will tell you the secrets I discovered of this machine, Ryobi string trimmer. This is the machine. See here, Ryobi. It's a Ryobi 10 amp, 18-inch electric string trimmer. It takes lots of attachments. Like for example, see, it takes one of these 6 attachments. One of them is a chainsaw, the other is a blower. But I sometimes don't like these attachments because these attachments are pretty pricey for the same attachment. For example, if I buy the attachment for chainsaw, for the same price, I can buy a separate chainsaw which comes with its own motor and so on, okay? But I'll tell you some good features. This one has a cord retainer. See this cord retainer? So you connect it to the, first of all, you connect it to the machine, and then this cord here, see this cord here, you insert into this. See like this? And then this one you loop it through this, so now it's secured. Now this one will not come off. See, this one will not come off. So this is a very good feature. And another good feature is that this is where you put the attachment. See, you open this one, this here, and then you, this one here, from here on, this is the string trimmer. You open this one and put new attachment, like for example, blower or chainsaw or edger, okay? And this one other very good feature is that it has this safety switch. See this safety switch white? If you want to start it, you have to first press the white switch and then the black switch. Then it will start, okay? And if you don't do that, it will not start. And also, if you want to just trim the grass, you keep it like this with the safety switch. With the safety switch on top, then it will trim the grass. But if you want to edge, for example, in your front lawn, where the concrete meets the grass, those edges, if you want to do edging, then you turn it like this so that the safety switch is down. So it's down. Now it will work as a edger. Then you can just edge like this. Okay, this one, you see the head, it has 2 strings, one coming on right, one coming on left, and this gives it more power. Now if you want to make this larger, all you have to do is grab the black thing, grab the black thing, and you press it. See, as you press it, it becomes longer. See, as you press it, it becomes longer. And if you want to shorten it, you just grab the black thing and you turn it to the right, see? Like this. Turn it clockwise to make the string short. And this one here, see this one here? This one is basically a guard so that the dust, so that the clippings don't hit your eyes. So you can attach it to this, Now I will show you how to put the string in if the string runs out, if the string is finished, then what to do, okay? Now let's open this. See that there is a notch here. See this one here notch. You press on both sides, it comes out. Now once it comes out, and here you have a spring. See the spring? And it's the spring came out, but I'm going to put it back. Yes. See, this one is 2 parts. There's a black part and a yellow part. So you take it out, right? Now let's suppose that your string is finished. Then how do you put it back? So what you do is, first we put this, see the black part, this green part goes in the black part, okay? And once it goes there, And see this hole here, big hole, it goes in this. So you put one hole into this and the other hole into this, to the other side. And then you close it, okay? This is how you close it. Now once you close it, what you do is, you take the string, make sure that, see, you turn it, make sure that the arrow on the green thing is attached, is aligned with the arrow or down. And then you insert this one here. It didn't go through. So you have to basically try. We have to make sure that the arrows are aligned, number one. And number two, let's try this way. So we insert this here. And then see how it came out the other side. You just try it until the other end comes out to the other side, and then make sure that the length of your string is as much as this much, your arm, okay? And then you make it even like this. So you make it even like this, and then make it like this, and now you just grab the lower part and turn it to the right. Now, if you're weak, you can use this one. See, you can use this one, you put into this, and then you, this makes it easier to turn. But you still have to hold the lower part. See, I did it, see now I did it, it's done. Okay, so this is how you insert the string, okay, and now I will show you how the machine starts. So I'm going to plug this. I'm going to plug this this cord into my outlet. And now, see, look. Now, see, this one will not start unless I press the. See, I have to press this safety switch, press this, and then this. See. Now, this is when the safety switch is up, it works to trim the grass. And for edging at the edge of the concrete in your front lawn, you turn it the other way. See, turn it like this, okay? And then you press the safety switch, and then this one now works like edger to cut the edge to edge at the end of the concrete. And one more thing is that some people, when they want to advance the thing, they bump it on this one here on the floor. I would not advise it because this can damage your head. See, this can damage you. Now I'm playing with it even though it's connected to electricity because there is a safety device. To start it, you have to have press 2. But still, if you want to work on it, power it off. Take out the power, okay? And attach this here. Attach this one like this. Attach this one like this, so that when you are working on it, this will stop the grass from hitting your eyes. Okay, and there is also a hand rail or hand rail here that you can attach. I didn't attach it because the machine is already heavy. I didn't want to make it heavier. I can just grab it like this. Okay, it's heavy. For anybody less than 70 years old, this is okay. I'm past 70 years old, but still I can handle it. Maybe for next 5 years. Okay. After that, we will see what happens. Okay. Hello. If you have not subscribed to my channel, please do so by clicking on the subscribe link below. Also write your comments in the comment section below. Spread the word. You can share this video with your friends by clicking on the share button below, and you can share it with WhatsApp, with Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, and by sending email to your friends.